In our business, great feedback is the best reward. We work hard to make sure everyone has a first-class experience with us, and we appreciate the recognition when someone takes the time to send an online review like this one. We're really motivated to hear we've made so many people happy. We work with everyone individually to reach our 5-star service goal. Our approach really is one experience at a time. It's that simple. So the only real question you have to ask yourself is, what are you waiting for? Come by and experience our impeccable service today. We appreciate you stopping by and watching our video. We're happy to answer any questions you might have. We're happy to help you anytime.